Now, here it is. Tell me honestly, do you want to have a great personality? Do you want to be recognized among the people who are respected and honored? Do you want to become a great speaker and spread the words of your wisdom to the whole world? Do you want to build authority in your society? Do you want to earn a lot of money? And do you want to increase your relationship or beautify your relationship with the people you meet around? And if all your answers are yes, then here is a big question to understand now. What is stopping you then? Now I'll tell you, most of the people have got some limiting beliefs, and because of which they think they can't do and they don't take action also. And as a result, they fail. Now, what are these limiting beliefs? There are so many limiting beliefs, but I'll highlight a few, which is the most common. Number one, I don't have good English. Now, you will find most of the people speaking, अरे मुझे English नहीं आती, मेरी English अच्छी नहीं है. And because of this, they don't go out, they don't talk to people, and even if they talk, they don't feel confidence. And just because of this limiting belief, they don't overcome, they don't show up, and they don't connect with people. Second limiting belief is their education background. Now, most of the people again think, मेरे समय पे तो ऐसा था ही नहीं, मैं तो ये पढ़ा ही नहीं हूं, how can I do it? How can I be that person? And this limiting belief is stopping. And number three limiting belief, and that is, अरे इसको पर्सनालिटी ग्रूम करने के लिए बहुत पैसे लगेंगे, बहुत समय देना पड़ेगा. Nice. So what if I tell you right now, you don't need to invest a lot of money, you don't need to invest a lot of time, you don't need to have any degrees with you. That's completely fine. For saying yes to all your dreams, you don't need any degree for that. And number four, you don't need good English. Above all, there is a big limiting belief which most of the people have, and that is self-doubt. They have lot of self-doubt with themselves. They're having a very low self-image, because of which they don't come up, they don't take action. So right now, removing all this limiting belief aside, taking my confidence with you, I invite you all to the masterclass, where I'm going to give you 4 simple steps, which when you apply, you can achieve all your dreams. Whether it is getting authority, whether you want to have good relationship, whether you want to spread your wisdom, you want to become a great speaker, you want to be a famous personality, you want to groom yourself, or you want to earn in lakhs. Yes, it's all possible. There are people doing it around. You do not reinvent the wheel. You just go and check people. They are already earning in lakhs without degrees, without spending lakhs. So what is stopping you right now? It's just one click. So given below is the link. Click on it, and I'll see you in the masterclass, where the 2 hours of session can definitely change your life. And in very soon, you will be the one person getting all the success you always dreamt of. Right? So I'll see you in the masterclass. Thank you.